Hey, ho,
Yeah,
hey, ho,
yeah.
hey, ho,
Dedication. You can do anything you put your mind to. Just stay focused. Believe in yourself. Real life. Impossible obstacles, I'm colder than popsicles. The reason why, cause people send shots more bullets than arsenals. You gotta look through negative vibes, neglect the compulsive lies to stimulate your mind, cause you're one of a kind. Keep going, no looking back, hard working, insomniac, and don't come back until the job is done and you are dominant. Stop beating yourself down, there's no if, but, or maybe. Just stay focused on what you're doing, yo. Talk to him, Katie.
You gotta force yourself to get up and go. Inspiration is the key to reach all your goals. If you don't make a move, then where do you stand? If you don't have an option, then make a new plan. It's dedication. It's dedication. Oh yeah, it's dedication, cation, cation. It's dedication, cation, cation. It's dedication, cation, cation. It's dedication, cation, cation.
Dedication decides your destination and your placement, praying to God more than a mason. Face it, you know your life is running when your heart is racing, cause you're scared the chairs in the heavens isn't vacant. I'm more with the hard working and perfecting my craft, not playing around, unfocused and worrying about a laugh, cause as soon as you laugh, you finish last, baby, then you're mad and disappointed, yo. Talk to him, Katie.
You gotta force yourself to get up and go. Inspiration is the key to reach all your goals. If you don't make a move, then where do you stand? If you don't have an option, then make a new plan. It's dedication, cation, cation. It's dedication, cation, cation. It's dedication, cation, cation. It's dedication, cation, cation.
Who's that kid with the goals? Who's that kid with the goals?
The kid with the ghost.
Tryna get out his hometown, tryna get out his hometown.
Hometown. Ball on with the beat, yeah, like you can't be beat, then repeat. Yes, I can, and no one's controlling me. You can control your dreams, and your dream releases your peak. Then your peak opens something others can't relate and can't believe.
You gotta
Rip.
force yourself to get up and go.
Heir to the throne.
Inspiration is the key to reach all your goals. If you don't make a move, then where do you stand? If you don't have an option, then make a new plan. It's dedication, cation, cation. It's dedication.